the punches to the body, and here we go on. Mohammed's down, thrown at Mohammed 3 times in a row, and Mohammed's down for a second
to go of round number 1. And another left and only round number 2. But there it is again.
To the uppercut. A big left. And he eats a right hand as well, which puts him
Matapos na magretiro ang ating pambansang kamao, Manny Pacquiao, taong 2021, sa wakas ay meron ng Pinoy boxer na malakas at isa rin southpaw ang pumalit kay Pacquiao sa welterweight division. Walang iba kundi ang ating kababayan na si Joper Montano. May edad sa kasalukuyan na 28, may taas na 5'8 at may ring record na 18 wins, 16 knockouts. Tubong Bago City, Negros Occidental at nakabase na sa Dubai. Samantala, matapos na in-knockout ni Joper Montano sa round 1 ang kapwa Pinoy na si Benji Suganov, ay June 2022 ay muli itong napalaban na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang knockout artist na Indonesian boxer na si Ari Agustian na may record na 8 wins, 8 knockouts at isa lamang natalo. Nakataya sa laban ang ABF Super Lightweight title na ginanap sa Dubai na kung saan muling pinamalas nito ang lakas ng kamao nang tapusin kaagad nito sa unang round ang knockout artist na Indonesian. Sa unang atake ng Pinoy ay naramdaman agad ng Indonesian ang lakas ng kamao ng Pinoy, ngunit hindi kumbinsido ang referee sa pagbagsak ng Indonesian. Sinyas ni ref no knockdown. Slip lang umano ito kaya hindi binilangan. Sa pagpatuloy ng laban ay muling nagpakawala si Joper Montano ng lever shot sa katawan na nagpaluhod sa Indonesian boxer. Sa muling pagtayo ng Indonesian ay nagpakawala ang Pinoy ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon at isang jab sa bodega ang nagpayuko sa Indonesian. Panalo si Joper Montano via first round technical knockout. Samantala matapos ang 5 buwan ay muling napalaban si Joper Montano na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Indian boxer na si Colbert Daka na may ring record na 6 wins, 1 loss at 3 knockouts. Paglalabanan ng dalawa ang vacant WBO Oriental Welterweight belt. Sa laban ng dalawa ay ginamit ng Indian boxer ang tangkad at haba ng galamay nito at nakipagsabayan sa Pinoy. Sa round 9 dito binakbakan at binayon ang suntok ng Pinoy na nagpabagsak sa Indian boxer. Sa pagpatuloy ng laban ay muling binakbakan ng Pinoy at wala itong naging sagot kaya inihinto na ng referee ang laban. Panalo si Joffer Montano by a 9th round technical knockout at matagumpay na nakuha ng Pinoy ang WBO Oriental Welterweight belt. Samantala, March 2023, nang harapin naman ni Joffer Montano ang Iranian boxer na si Kashyar Ghasemi. Si Ghasemi ay may ring record na 7 wins, 7 knockouts at 3 talo. Nakataya sa laban ang ABF Welterweight title. Sa laban ng dalawa ay bugbog ang inabot ng Iranian boxer sa kamay ng Pinoy.
And again, Joffer coming from VIC Boxing this afternoon. Good left hand work to the body there from Kashyar. Joffer with a good left hand to the body from Joffer. Kashyar mimicking the then her left hand. Right hook on the back foot now, trying to get into the pocket. Oh, big left hand though from Joffer. And that's where Joffer did so. And there we see it again. Huge body rip from Joffer to Flory to finish round number 2. Kashyar has done really well so far in this round, but not so much. Joffer again lunging in, but Kashyar. Good jab, and then left hook from Kashyar. Joffer ducking out the way. Left hand to the body from Joffer. Left hook, left hand there, holding centre of the ring. Good double jab, and then Joffer. Right hand from Kashyar. Kashyar coming back now. Kashyar pushing forward. Joffer rally now, like he did at the end of the fourth.
Matapos ang round 5 ay ininda ng Iranian boxer ang balikat nito at umayaw na nga ito sa laban. Panalo si Joffer Montano by a 6th round referee technical decision. Samantala, matapos ang 3 buwan, ay dumayo si Joffer Montano sa bansang Thailand na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Pakistani boxer na si Muhammad Bilal. Si Muhammad ay may ring record na 11 wins, 3 losses at 9 knockouts. Didipinsan ni Montano ang hawak nitong WBO Oriental Welterweight belt. Sa bakbakan ng dalawa ay naging palaban ang Pakistani boxer. Gustong maagaw ang WBO belt, kaya nakipagsabayan ito sa Pinoy.
Intentional though. This is what I was trying to say earlier. You just got to try. Mohamed Bilal trying to get on the inside and Joffer landing with the left hand. And again going to the right hook to the body there from Joffer. Right hand there from Mohamed. Left hand down the middle from Joffer. Whoa, big miss there from Joffer. Whoa! Looks like they both landed with their own. He ate a huge left hand which put him off balance. Body and landing to the head as well from Joffer. Looks like that hurt. Another left hook, long left hook as well to the body. Good left to the body, Mohamed. Oh, good right hook there from Joffer as well as Mohamed. Look, walked straight into it, and the left hand followed too. Joffer going to the body now. Accurate left hand, connect away from their left straight, their power side, and create angles for your right straight. Now this is good from Mohamed. Good right hands connecting 2 in a row almost. Again from Joffer connecting and straight down the middle.
Sa round 6 dito binayon ang kaliwang kamao ng Pinoy na nagpaluhod sa Pakistani boxer.
And also the punches to the body, and here we go on. Mohamed's down, it was the left hand from Joffer.
Sa pagpatuloy ng laban ay bakbakan agad ang dalawa. At dito tinamaan ng Pinoy ng lever shot sa katawan. Bagsak ang Pakistani boxer.
First knockdown in this round, and Joffer going in for the kill. Left hand thrown at Mohamed 3 times in a row, and Mohamed's down for a second time. One more time.
Habang binibilangan ay umayaw na ito sa laban.
Is Mohamed going to get up? I don't think he is. And no, he's not.
Panalo si Joffer Montano by a 6th round technical knockout at matagumpay na nadipinsahan ng ating kababayan ang hawak nitong WBO Oriental belt. Samantala, September 2023 ay balik Thailand si Joffer Montano na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Indonesian boxer na si Rebo Kondimang. Nakataya sa laban ang ABF Welterweight belt. Sa round 1 ay palitan ng malalakas na kombinasyon ang dalawa.
Already starting off very strong. Nice right hook landed to the body already. And a big swing and a miss. And it won in the first round, trying to prove that he's a very strong boxer and determined to get this title. And Riva done a very good job just to stay calm, not get overwhelmed by the power. He's in the center of the ring. Joseph. And a big left hand landed on the chin, but Riva comes back with a combination of his own jab, just sticking it out there. And a nice leaping jab, a corkscrew punch landed by Riva. And there it is again. The corkscrew punch is where it's just basically... A big right hand landed to the body, and Riva just took a three-punch combination, but Riva, and his head snaps back, and he's still standing. Joffer is going in for the kill. I think Joffer smelt blood.
Bago matapos ang round 1 ay tinamaan ng Pinoy ng left straight na nagpadapa sa Indonesian boxer.
Round number 1, and another left hand sends his opponent to the canvas. Joffer already jumping up and down with joint. You cannot be saved by the bell. That he's not hurt after round number 1. And that's exactly what Riva needs to do, throwing those double jabs. And a big right hand and a left hand lands to the body of Riva. Riva's doing a very good job to work the body.
Sa round 2 ay muling tinamaan ng solidong left straight. Bulagta ang Indonesian boxer.
The bag, I know it's only round number 2. But there it is again, sending his opponent to the canvas.
Sa pagtayo nito ay halatang hilo pa ang Indonesian, kaya itinigil na ng referee ang laban.
And Riva is up.
Panalo si Joffer Montano by second round technical knockout. Samantala, March 30, 2024 ay balik Thailand si Joffer Montano na kung saan pinantapat sa Pinoy ang isang Thai fighter na si Acharya Wirojanasonobol. Ang Thai boxer na ito ay may ring record na 14 wins, 2 losses at 6 knockouts. Nakataya sa laban ang WBO Oriental Welterweight title. Samantala, si Joffer Montano ay former ABF Super Lightweight Champion, former WBA Asia Welterweight Champion at kasalukuyang ABF at WBO Oriental Welterweight Champion. Samantala, sa laban ng dalawa ay suportado ng mga Thai ang kanilang kababayan at umaasa na tatalunin ang Pinoy. Kaya bawat bato ng suntok ng Thai boxer ay napapahiyaw ang mga Thai na nanonood ng laban.
In the center of the ring, we've got another southpaw, just trying to get that range ready. Joffer's now landed a nice left upstairs. Any of the bits, actually, as he lands a nice body shot as well, which almost stumbles actually. Left downstairs, and another left downstairs lands clean for Joffer Montano. And the man from the Philippines is determined to try and put this man away in the Joffer very aggressive. Usually takes a back foot approach in the early rounds and just start pushing the pace a little bit more now. It's the last fight. Big. Less than a minute to go, round number 1. There's just, and it works both ways, and there it is. It's a round. Big, well, as Acharya shakes his head and throws it to his own. 10 seconds to go, round number 1. There shows his head movement as well, as he throws a big right hand underneath, and Joffer has got to be very good. Joffer throws another jab as well, and again, Acharya a little bit more aggressive, a little bit more.
Sa round 2 ay panay-atake lang ang Pinoy. Dito lumusot ang left straight ni Montano na nagpaluhod sa Thai boxer.
Into the uppercut. A big left hand knocks Acharya back, and it almost looked like a...
Sa pagpatuloy ng laban, kaliwat kanang kombinasyon ang pinakawalan ng Pinoy.
He's going to take his time. We will see what Joffer wants to do with this. But that is huge early on in the fight to win on the scorecards this early.
Sa pagyuko ng Thai, sabay left uppercut ni Montano. Ngunit nakaiwas ang Thai boxer. Ngunit sa kasunod na right hook ay di na naiwasan. Sa pull ang panga, bulagta ang Thai boxer.
And he hits a right hand as well, which puts him to the...
Hindi na nakatayo pa ang Thai boxer. Panalo si Joffer Montano by second round knockout. Matagumpay na nakuha ng ating kababayan ang WBO Oriental Welterweight belt. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? At hanggang sa muli mga kaboksing, paki-like at subscribe na rin para sa ganitong mga laban. Maraming salamat po.